Hello beautifuls, welcome back to Shelton Mondo's channel.
Channel.
Wait, what did I say?
Channel. Chandle. That's what
I say chandle? Hello beautifuls, welcome back to Shelton Mondo's channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are gonna be getting rid of this virgin hair. Like, we're gonna be losing our hair virginity today, girls and gents and whoever else is watching, because I feel so stupid. My videos aren't like this.
Oh my gosh. Do you want it to be shaky?
No. Okay guys, so we're gonna be dyeing my hair blue today. Kind of nervous, but like, did I show you the picture of the blue that I wanted to do? Did you like it?
Yes.
I hope it looks good on me. I'm getting a tan tomorrow, so I look better like with colored hair when I'm tan. So we're gonna be tan tomorrow, which is good. I went online like a month ago and I ordered some dye, and it is from Overtone. What I ordered from Overtone was the pastel blue set. So it comes with the deep conditioning, which is gonna be like the main dye that we're gonna be using today. Then it also has the pastel blue daily conditioner, so every time you shower, once you're done with your regular shampoo or whatever, you add this in, and then it kind of just freshens up your color and such, which is going to be amazing. And then we just have a little travel size, which is gonna be perfect because I'm going to Florida. Speaking of Florida, I'm going to be at Playlist Live, and I'm having a private meet and greet with Z-Star Digital Agencies. So if you guys want to stop by, meet me, we can take some pics, have some combos. It's gonna be great. So make sure you guys stop by. All of the information is gonna be linked down below for you guys. So we made a little quick stop to Sally's tonight. It's literally the devil's store for Brad, honestly, but like, it's all Gucci here. Actually, the stuff that's in here isn't bad. We got some gloves because we're probably gonna be doing this more often. So oh shoot.
What?
They're small gloves.
Oh, does it look like I have small hands?
Wait, this should fit though, right? It might be stretchy. So we got some gloves. Then I also got some processing caps because we're definitely gonna need those today. And then I also got a brush for the bleach. And what are you using for bleach, you're asking? Let me tell you. So, he does not like this one. We're gonna be using the L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach. I've actually used this before when I went blonde. I liked it. I feel like it worked and it didn't damage my hair, which was good. We're also gonna be using some 30 volume developer because we're trying to be safe over here. Honestly, like, I've used 40 on my hair and my hair can like take it, but today we're gonna be using 30. So we got a mug. Yeah, so let's just, I literally put everything on the ground. Grisel, why didn't you tell me? She don't need to go there, okay? Like, I'm already under enough stress over here. Like, honestly, like, she's like, I don't need this in my life anymore. I don't need this negativity from you anymore. Like, it's just gotten to like an extreme level that I just need you to stop yourself.
Okay.
Just need you to stop. Okay. I'll say it. Okay, so how do we do this, guys? Do you know how to do this? Kind of just eyeball it. Should we eyeball it? Patient, 1 scoop, mix 1.5 fluid ounce to 2 fluid ounce of 20-30 developer. Well, let's just do this. Here, can we get an up close shot? Can you get an up close shot? Here. Let's give the people what they want. Sweet. Now let's just dump it in there. That's 1 scoop, right? Yeah. I honestly feel like I'm in science class again. Tell me when you think it's 1.5 to 2.5 fluid ounces. Stop. A little more. Is that good? A little more. Perfect. Do you want? That looks like something bad. Oh shoot! This thing's going everywhere. Oh, true. You're right. I'ma change. BRB. Okay, so we're changed now because Grisel told me that I shouldn't ruin my sweatshirt, you know, and I was like, oh girl, you're right, you know. So now we're just over here mixing it. Also, yes, like, I've dyed my hair before, but this is all natural now. It's all virgin hair, so that's good, right? And then also I haven't washed it in a bit, so that's good. Also, funny story, I thought I was gonna do this like a couple weeks ago, and I literally like waited like 2.5 weeks of not like washing my hair. It was so disgusting, and then I caved, and then we're here, so Also, Griselle, you're the one who's gonna be applying all this, so don't F up. F up? Don't F up.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
What?
I'm scared.
Are you scared?
Yes.
Okay, wait. So what has Brad Mondo taught you? Like, what should we do first? What are we doing? Are you gonna section my hair or anything?
Yes.
Or what are we doing, Griselle? Since you're like my new salon lady, like what's everything that we're gonna be doing here today?
Well, obviously you have to section your hair off.
Okay, perfect. Have you felt how greasy it is? Like, the dirtier the better. I'm scared. Oh.
We did it on Michelle.
Yeah, but Michelle has long hair.
It's true.
Like, she has nothing to wear. Oh, let's do this.
Okay, I'm gonna start with like.
Oh, we're doing it, guys.
I still remember loving the danger. You set me on fire when I'm by your side. Taking me higher, I'll follow you down if you go down. Now you say you wanna get away, you wanna take me all the way. Might get burned if you get closer to the sun. I want ya. We can burn.
How's it coming? Is it lightning?
Detrás sí.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, wait, can you get some video of it? Here.
Do you want this to get on your phone?
Or where? Here, you tell me where to move it then. You can tell?
Not on the camera.
Yeah, well I can feel it like tingling right now, so.
On you, never mind all our worries. If you do it just the way you like, maybe I could waste my time. On
Alright guys, it's cap time. I'm nervous. What time is it? It's 9:36. How long should we wait? Should we wait like 2 hours?
No.
Just kidding.
Burn your hair.
My hair's gone.
Yeah.
What? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. Hey, you should do your eyebrows too.
Should I bleach my eyebrow? Heck no. You're crazy.
You can always go over it with pencil, so.
No.
Oh,
Okay, so we're gonna check it just because I feel like we should. It's really, really warm. Oh, I'm blonde. Do you think I'm blonde, or should we? I don't know. Should we wait a little bit?
but it's 10
5?
minutes. 10.
10 minutes? Or just wait and then check, or check now?
Now, let's just check it.
Are you sure?
And then after we can like
Okay.
strand.
Oh, that is not blonde. Pat some more bleach on there. Okay, like that.
Look at my gloves. Oh, that's hot.
It smells like a pool. Actually, let's do cold water. It hurts.
I told you.
I still remember loving the danger. You set me on fire when I'm by your side. Taking me higher.
Oh my gosh.
Take it off.
That's white.
Oh my gosh. That's a level 10 right there.
This is what we call a level like 11, a level 12. Crystal, we got a lot to do still.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to bleach it again, huh?
Because isn't that what the...
But feel my hair, right?
Yeah.
It feels still good, huh? Oh, I know why it's like that though.
Why?
Do you remember when I had that green? So
Oh, yeah.
that's probably what it is.
Yeah, because it was already bleached before.
It wasn't bleached. It was just straight color.
Just color?
Yeah. So I guess do it again? No. Oh, I know where it's coming off from though.
What?
Where I had it bleached. Or the blue.
Yeah.
Look. Come. Watch. Holy cow. My hair is falling out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My hair. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Oh my god.
You didn't start it? Oh my gosh.
Okay guys, I just realized we weren't recording, so
Okay, must.
I don't know. Did you guys see like my hair was falling out and stuff? Like oh dang girl. Okay.
What? Just like that without the conditioner?
Guys, this stuff smells so good. This video is so random. You're gonna be like, why are you posting this? I'm gonna be like, because I wanted to.
It's your YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's my channel, guys, and I can do whatever I want.
Exactly.
So, that's the beauty of this. I can do... I love it. I'm obsessed. I can't stop looking. Yeah, I'm gonna really like it. Guys, I have blue hair. My hair is blue. I am honestly just so freaking obsessed with this, like not gonna lie. I just feel like it just suits me so well. Like I feel like it just suits like my personality and such. Also, I got a spray tan last night and the blue hair with the tan skin looks so freaking good. If you guys see it in person, it's like vibrant yet light. And I don't know, I'm just freaking obsessed with this, so definitely recommend using Overtone, guys. Update, my hair is not falling out. It's sturdy. She's not going anywhere. But yeah, guys, I quickly just wanted to show you the hair in a much better setup, a not so ratchet setup. I need to get on the road really, really soon. I am actually leaving on a flight to Orlando. I'm going to Playlist Live. Yeah, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you guys are going to Playlist Live, I would love to meet you guys. And yeah, I'll have all the details and stuff again linked down in the description or just written out in the description or whatever. But yeah, also a link to Overtone is gonna be down below as well. It's not sponsored or anything, I just really like it and definitely recommend it to you guys. And if you guys aren't following me on my Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, definitely go add me on there because I'm going to be posting a lot over there. If you guys think you don't get enough content here, I know, I'm gonna work on it. Things are gonna change, but definitely if you guys want to like see more of my daily life, make sure you guys go follow me on my social media and such. And yeah, again guys, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys really, really soon with a brand new video. Bye.